Okay. Yeah, let me. All
I'm
right.
gonna make a festival at the house because the ingredients them in the house.
Okay.
Yeah. Just judge it. Yeah. Really nice.
This is how we make festival in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Some flour. But the flour always more than the cornmeal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cornmeal alone can't make it. Cornmeal alone can't do it.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not gonna crash it. If you have something strong.
I don't know if it,
That's some baking powder.
yeah, the baking powder. So flour, cornmeal, baking powder.
Baking powder to keep it in mild, you know.
Yeah.
They're not tough, you know. They're soft and mild.
How many? Well, it depends how many.
Yeah.
It depends how many flour and cornmeal you have.
Yeah. Me just use my judgment.
They just judge it.
Yeah. Put a bit of salt.
So people who do it, they just you know, they do what they want to do, right?
Yeah.
You put some salt in it.
Yeah,
That's a little salt. Yeah, Jamaicans don't measure nothing, right? They just judge everything. Yeah. I never measure nothing with me, I cook. Alright, so what you have now?
Nutmeg.
So you put some nutmeg in it.
Yes.
Everything you just judge it.
Yeah, not a whole lot.
Those who want to go by measurement, you can go online and see how it is done by measurement.
Look, Benjamin, almond.
So almond, oh you put almond in it?
Yeah, I'm putting the water and I'm mix it.
Oh.
Put a little butter.
So this is the almond. Benjamin artificial almond flavor.
Yes.
You put some butter in it.
Yeah. The butter.
Oh, you can put any kind of butter, right?
Yeah. And the butter now keep it soft, but in a hard.
Okay.
In the final festival, it's just nice and soft.
Okay.
Little bit of butter, not a whole lot.
Not a whole lot.
Now the water. And some sugar.
Oh. You put some
Sugar.
you put the white sugar or the brown sugar?
Use anywhere.
Anyone can use.
Yeah, not much. You give that just
Which one you like use most?
Huh?
Which one you like use most? The brown one or the white
Brown
one?
one. I like the brown one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna want to put that back right now. So now I'm throw a little addition now, the almond.
Yeah.
Benjamin almond.
Okay.
Very strong. So you don't want to use my wally. So now, what we do now, you can mix this with now warm water. You have to mix it with the coolest water.
Okay.
Cool water.
Cool water.
Get some of the cool water out of this.
Okay.
And you mix it with warm water. That's going to make the festival them hard. Just if you have fried dumpling, that mix it with the flour with cold water, you get a better, the dumpling is soft and nice.
Okay.
Spongy. Mix
You mix it all the way out.
Yeah, all the way out.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so what I do now, I'll wash off my hand now, and I'll get ready to knead the flour.
Oh, okay. Oh, see you.
By the time I don't need this flour, you know, we switch them with all town. Just with a spoon and stir it up, you know.
Stir everything in it.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to knead it now. So I knead it with my hand.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to wash off my hand.
Yeah, nice and clean.
Yeah, so I'll get ready now to do the hard work, you know. Alright, so we need it now, everything mixed up now. We need it, and I'm going to fry it right now. I'm going to make it set for maybe one little, roughly an hour 45 minutes
Oh,
before I fry it. The time the flour set, I get a better fry.
Oh.
See it?
So when you need it, you just let it stay for about half an hour. and
Yeah,
set.
45 minutes and set. See?
Oh,
I'm going to follow up making festival from scratch. You see, Matthew, I will like them festival there too. See? And I will fry them. Yeah, so got all this now. So the flour is that thing where easy to spoil. You have to have your judgment with water.
You have to know the exact amount of water to put in it. But you don't put the water in it one time. You just put some
No,
first
man.
and see
Yeah.
how much more
But
you
like
need.
with me, so flour can't spoil for me. If flour never spoil for me, I know forget it back. Me know forget it back. But if you come and cook and do one when it's spoiled, you have to get it back.
Yeah.
I bet you do a little bit of water at a time. Yeah. If I get too soft, it can't make nothing. Set that now, so just stretch them. So when time you set, you can't stretch them as long as you want.
Oh yeah?
So when you stretch, you can stretch them as long as you want. That's the trick about it.
And it go come out that long? Yeah.
Come out long. It's not going to come out that long.
You
but
go shrink a
that's
little
the
bit.
idea.
Okay.
Then we just say, oh, that come out short, come in stretch that long enough. When you
Yeah.
stretch them, it can come out long. Stretch them long.
Oh.
Check out. In the floor, the floor can stretch as long as ever.
Start that drum already. Yes, man. Looking good.
Start getting color now.
I want to swell up here.
Stretch them and just roll them up well. They will just come short. You got to stretch them. If you long we stretch them,
Uh-huh.
so by the start Friday, they just come back up here. That's it about festival. You got to stretch them.
This is how we fry Jamaican festival.
Piece of paper.
And it seconds.
So, a little bit grease with your craft.
Yeah, suck it up.
Grease it.
Mhm. So Bangali has some bombing inside. Let me look at the bombing.
Right down.
Right bombing.
Mommy going fish.
Yeah.
Mommy going fry fish.
Bombing and fried fish.
Yeah.
That's how we do it in Jamaica. Bombing and
Our
fried
fish
fish.
and festival.